Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device down and removing any battery or disconnecting power. This prevents short circuits. Once done, clear a workspace with good light and lay out a magnetic or labeled tray for screws. Use a small Phillips or Torx driver and a plastic spudger to pry open seams. Metal tools can damage clips. Make sure to note screw sizes as you go, because reassembly depends on returning each screw to its original hole. You now remove the relevant covers and unscrew the PCB mounting points, then gently lift the board to reveal the headphone jack. Once exposed, identify whether the jack is soldered or held by clips and screws. This determines your method. If soldered, heat each joint steadily and remove pins. If clipped, depress retaining tabs and extract the jack. Keep the old jack nearby to verify pin layout, because correct orientation ensures the replacement will sit flush and function properly. You position the new jack carefully, aligning pins and any plastic guides, then solder each connection with minimal solder to avoid bridges or snap the part into its clip. Once secure, reseat the PCB, reconnect ribbons and antenna leads, and reattach fasteners in reverse order. Power the device and test with a headset. Check left-right channels and microphone if applicable. If something's wrong, make sure to power off before reopening, then inspect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.